This is Benny. Welcome to our video about hydroponics. Today I'm going to show you how we built a frame for our hydroponic system. So if you've seen this system where the lettuce is growing on PVC channels, and you're wondering how to build a frame for these PVC channels, then I'm gonna show you at this video. Our build will be on a greenhouse with uneven ground. It's gonna be a permanent frame system for our hydroponics. And this is what we are gonna try to replicate there, the frame there. So we are gonna use GI Tubular Pipes for the frames, and the sizes are 25 millimeters by 25 millimeters by 5 meters. Okay, so here's a look at our greenhouse. As you can see, the ground is uneven. The frame will be 14 feet long, and it's gonna be 7 feet 9 inches wide. You see the plastic buckets there? Those are recycled, and we are gonna use them as footings for our build. They will be buried into the ground, and we're gonna pour cement into them. They will become our footings, like you see here. From the footings, you can build the legs of the frame. We are now welding the horizontal bars for our frame. And for this build, we are gonna let the nutrients flow from the left to the right side. So this horizontal bar is elevated on the left side, which will promote the flow of nutrients from left going to the right. And we are on the second part of the frame. These two horizontal bars you see here, they need to be parallel. We also elevated the left side of the bar by 1.5 inches. That should promote the flow of nutrients from left to right. Okay, so we are on the third part of the horizontal bars for welding. On the next day, we are done with the horizontal bars. We are now welding the brackets. Just simple brackets, still made of the GI Tubular Pipes. And these brackets are at a 45-degree angle to support our frame. Finished with the welding part. The next step will be to apply metal primer. So apply metal primer to the frame to prevent rust. Here, we are still applying metal primer to some parts of the frame. But the welding part has been done. It's finished. And on this part of the frame, you can see the brackets that we welded for the gutter. Okay, so that's where we're gonna place the gutters. Okay, finishing up with the painting of the metal primer. Otherwise, the frame is already finished. Okay, here's the look of the frame after painting. So this frame is 14 feet long and it can support 20 pieces of PVC channels. If you have more than that, you can build a longer frame. The length will depend on how many PVC channels you're gonna put into the frame. The width is 7 feet 9 inches because the PVC channels are 8 feet long, so the frame should be just a little short of your PVC channels. And we place the PVC channels on top of the frame to see how they fit, and it looks alright. Building a frame is as simple as that. You just need to make sure to measure twice, cut once. Okay, a look at our seedlings germinating. These PVC channels are second-hand or used from another grower, and the spacing for the holes is 4 inches from center to center because these PVC channels are intended for seedlings. And we are done with the frame. The used PVC channels fits correctly. The next step will be to build our reservoir, install the pump and the fittings for the irrigation system, which I hope I can show you on our next video. Okay, thank you so much. This is Benny again. That's my Facebook page. If you'd like, you can find me on Facebook as well. Thank you so much